Hey, good morning here. Woody with GMR Metal Roofs and Construction. And see behind me here, we just got our delivery in for a metal re-roof and some structural integrity work on this commercial building here. It's been around since probably before I was born. So now it's time to put a new roof on. We got to change out some red iron that we got in here and do some structural work and change out all the old purlins that have been rusted out and beat up over time from guys running equipment into them and rust and aggravation and all that old stuff. Just like our old bones, they get a little bit worked on every now and again. So I'll be starting on this project next week. But again, Woody here with GMR Metal Roofs and Construction, and we're pretty good at these metal buildings and retrofits every day. So if you have any commercial projects with the metal buildings and they need a new roof or some structural supports or a little change here and there from usage, just like us, find us, follow us, and let us know. We love doing some red iron and some metal buildings. We'll see you here next week. We'll be banging this one on and seeing what happens. Thank you and have a great day.